Today I'm going to talk to you about how a $1 upgrade for our stairs made a world of difference when setting them up and tearing them down. So a few months ago, we broke the stairs that came on our fifth wheel. One of the screws just sheared off and it made the top step pretty unsafe to stand on. So we went ahead and upgraded to these Lippert Solid Steps, and we absolutely love them, aside from one thing, and I'm gonna tell you all how we fixed that in this video. The main thing we like about these steps is that they are absolutely solid. I mean, I'm a big guy and I can jump around on this. It doesn't move at all. Like your normal RV steps kind of pop up and down and shake the whole RV. We don't even have our rear stabilizers down right now. So another cool thing about these, and you may either like this or not like this, is that they fold up into your RV. And that can be a little bit of a pain because you have to clean your steps every single time you put them up. Otherwise you're gonna have rocks and dirt and stuff inside your RV. But what it does allow for is this storage underneath the RV, where previously our stairs would fold up into this. I was able to put a storage box here, and we can store wheel chocks, that kind of thing, in this box. But as you can see, the stairs fold away, the door closes, it's great. But there is one issue that we found with these stairs, and it's more of my issue than anyone else's because I'm the one setting them up all the time. So this pin right down here is kind of a pain to take in and out. It's got a little ball detent in it, and that means you've got to put a little extra force to get it out. And I end up banging my hand on this edge here, and it's not a sharp edge, but it's not flat. And then you've got this pin that's not captured that you can lose. It's a little bit of a pain. So what I did to fix this situation is I bought some of these locking pins from Amazon. They come in like a pack of 8 or 10. You got square looking ones, you got round looking ones, and they're the exact same diameter as this pin, but they don't have that little detent in them. And then they lock by just pulling the little outer ring over the shaft, and they're not going anywhere. Another nice thing about these is they're much bigger, so it's a lot harder to lose. So let me show you how they work. So I'm gonna take our old pin out, and I'm actually just going to hold on to it by putting it in this bottom little, set of holes there, just in case I need it for whatever reason in the future. And then take this pin, slide it in. I'm making this look way harder than it actually is. It'd help if I could find the hole.
That's what she said.
So yeah, found the hole. And then you just slide the little ring locking thing over it. Your pin is captured, it's not going anywhere, and it's so much easier to set up and take down. Really cool thing about these pins is they're super cheap. They're literally less than $1 a piece. I'll add the link to the Amazon listing that we purchased below. Hope you guys liked today's video. I know it was a little bit shorter, but I thought that this was a tip that some of y'all could definitely use if you have these steps. I'm not sure if this pin setup will work with the more ride steps, but if you are having similar issues with those steps, I would definitely recommend looking into it. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I will see you all next week.